If you've been trying to publish a book but you keep getting stuck, or you don't have time to write a 300-page novel, then pay very close attention. There is a brand new system that shows you how to publish short, profitable Kindle reads in days instead of months. And it's surprisingly simple. Short Read Domination is one of the cleanest, most beginner-friendly publishing systems I've seen in a long time. Unlike other courses that drown you in theory, this one gives you templates, trackers, and a step-by-step method to actually publish and profit quickly. If you want a realistic way to make money on Amazon without writing huge books, this is worth it. Short Read Domination is a complete training program created by Keith Wheeler, a 5-time #1 bestselling author who has been publishing on Amazon since 2016. The course teaches you how to research profitable short read niches, outline and create your book, format it, write a description that sells, and publish it on Amazon for long-term royalties. And the best part is, short reads are only 1 to 100 pages long. That makes them incredibly fast to produce, even if you've never published before. It's perfect for beginners who feel overwhelmed by long books, busy people with limited time, and anyone who wants to earn passive income through Amazon without learning complicated tech. Inside the dashboard, you'll see 22 step-by-step lessons. The first section helps you find your profitable niche using the Short Read Research Tracker. This tracker makes niche research much easier because you're not guessing, you're using real data. Next, you'll find the outline templates for both fiction and nonfiction. These templates remove the fear of the blank page because all you do is plug in your ideas. You'll also see templates for book descriptions. These are especially helpful because Amazon descriptions are what convince browsers to become buyers. The template makes it almost impossible to mess up. There are also pre-recorded productivity sprints. You can select a 5-minute, 10-minute, or even 1-hour sprint and write along with Keith to finish your short read faster. Finally, there is a resources section with links to trusted freelancers in case you ever want help with formatting, editing, or cover design. The dashboard is simple, clean, beginner-friendly, and very easy to follow.
Do you want to publish your next book on Amazon in days and not months? I'm talking about real Kindle short reads, powerful, bite-sized ebooks that are under 7,500 words. That's between 1 and 100 pages long, and these are books that readers love and authors profit from. And you heard that right. You can actually create an ebook and sell it that's as little as 1 page long. Let's be honest, most authors never finish their books. They overthink the topic, stress about the length, and then waste months writing and then formatting their book. But it doesn't have to be that way. I'm Keith Wheeler. I've been self-publishing on Amazon and beyond for almost a decade, and I'm the host of Keith Wheeler Books YouTube channel. I've helped thousands of authors go from stuck to sell. And now inside Short Read Domination, I'm going to show you exactly how to write, publish, and profit from Kindle short reads. Let me show you exactly what we're going to cover inside Short Reads Domination. So I'm going to introduce you to Kindle short reads, what counts as a Kindle short read, how can Amazon actually help you sell your Kindle short read. Then we're going to move on to setting yourself up for success. Here I explain how the Amazon algorithm actually works and why it works that way. We cover how to write smarter, not harder, writing with a purpose, and how short reads can fit into the big picture of your business. Next up is the writing of your book, right? You got to write the ebook, and we're going to talk about setting the stage properly, getting yourself prepared to write your ebook. Then we're going to cover why you want to write with the reader in mind, how to write compelling intros and hooks to your books, whether it's fiction or nonfiction, how to keep the readers engaged in the middle of your books, how to write a good ending that sticks with them long after they close your book, overcoming writer's block and staying motivated. And then we talk about polishing as you go. So it's optional, but if you want to know how to edit as you go, I cover that in that video. Next up is preparing your book for sales. So getting your manuscript edited. Then we're going to talk about formatting your ebook. You'll actually watch me format my ebook right in front of you. And then the same thing for a print book. If you decide you want to have a print version of your short read, you can do that. And I show you how to format your print book. Next up, we talk about the importance of covers, and then a tutorial on how to create an ebook cover using Canva, and then even how to create a paperback cover using Canva as well. Then one of the most important videos is covering about metadata and how to get metadata so that way it actually helps sell your book. And we finish up that module where I walk you through step-by-step uploading your book to KDP. Plus, you get templates, outlines, and tools all along the way to make things as simple as possible for you. And because, to be honest, I know from experience that sometimes it can be lonely writing a book, I've created productivity sprints right here, everything from 5 minutes to an hour. So if you have 5 minutes to spend or you have an hour to spend on writing, there's a video there for you that you can hit play on and have me working right alongside you as you're writing your ebook. And I've even included a resource section to give you access to even more content. So stop waiting for the perfect time. Start small, publish smart, and join Short Reads Domination today and get your next book live on Amazon fast. Click below to get started.
There is one optional upgrade. The Pro version gives you 8 additional lessons focused on rapid growth, including how to run an epic book launch, how to use Amazon's built-in tools for better rankings, how to promote beyond Amazon, and how to expand your short read into other formats. You also get long-term growth strategies and a simple book launch checklist. The upgrade is completely optional. You can publish and profit with just the main course, but the Pro level helps you scale faster and build a more consistent income. To make this offer even better, I'm including an exclusive bonus bundle. These bonuses are designed to help you get more traffic, more sales, and more subscribers while you grow your publishing business. Here is what you get when you purchase through the link below. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshow promos for your books in minutes. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your website instantly and reduce bounce rates. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook lead ads to your autoresponder and grow your audience automatically. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add beautiful countdown timers to your emails to increase urgency and conversions. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. Improve overlooked parts of your ad campaigns for higher conversion rates. Bonus 6, Action Poll. Segment your email list and build more targeted campaigns. Bonus 7, Website Pouch Pro. Hide or reveal book promos, banners, and opt-ins with one click. Bonus 8, Slide Up Bar Plugin. Add high-converting opt-in and promo bars to your website. Bonus 9, 100 Ready-Made Niche Blogs. A massive collection of preloaded content to attract traffic fast. Bonus 10, Affiliate System for Product Owners. Build your own affiliate program and let others promote your books or offers. These bonuses are exclusive and not available anywhere else. They are designed to support your publishing journey from day one. Short Read Domination is one of the fastest paths to publishing success on Amazon. You don't need prior experience, you don't need tech skills, and you don't need to write long books. If you want a simple system to hit publish and start earning passive royalties, this is a strong, beginner-friendly way to start. Remember, my bonus bundle is only available for a limited time and may be removed after the first 25 buyers or when the countdown on this page hits 0. Once the bonuses are gone, they are gone. Click the link below to secure your copy and lock in all bonuses before the deadline. If you found this review helpful, consider liking the video, leaving a comment, and subscribing for more honest reviews and income-building tools. Once you purchase, check your email for instructions on how to access your bonuses. Click the link below now to get started.